Welcome back to the channel.
Today is our first official video.
We're going to be unboxing the Fifine K052 microphone right here.
Currently, we are recording on the infamous blue Snowball ICE.
Let's find out how this $30 mic compares to the blue Snowball. Alright, now we're going to get into the actual unboxing part of the video. Let's get right into it. First things first, open the lid. Pretty simple. They got a nice white foam that comes with it. Pretty universal. In addition to the box, the foam, they got a manual. We don't need that right there. We don't really need that. Pretty useless stuff. Right here, we got the message from Fifine. I don't think we really need that either. Sorry, Fifine. But let's actually open the mic. Oops, that was backwards. So here we go. We got the actual mic and the wire. It is a USB microphone, as you can see right here. Let's see if I can focus in on it. It's a USB mic, and in addition, it's also cardioid, meaning it's only going to pick up audio that's coming from the front of the mic. And it is about 1 foot tall, 12 inches, and the cord is 2 meters long, so more than enough space for anyone's setup.
On the mic itself, you have a mute button and an LED right below it. It should turn red once you press the button to mute and green once it's unmuted. There's also a volume dial, which is smooth on the movement, got a good texture and pretty shiny to it. The actual movement of the mic, really flexible, and it's pretty convenient.
Alright, now that we got the physical features down and the unboxing, let's get into the audio test of the Fifine K052. Alright, you guys are currently listening to the K052 microphone, and right now we're going to teach you how to set it up. Super simple plug and play mic. So first things first, you plug in your microphone, and if there's no pop-up or if there's a pop-up, doesn't really matter. We're going to show you the real way to set it up. All you have to do is go down to your Windows search bar and go type in sound settings, and it should pop up right there, and click on that, and then give it a second to load in. And here you guys can see where your output is going. So if you have the headphones, click on that, or if you have monitor speakers. And here's your input. So this is going to be the K052 mic. It's called the USB PNP audio device. All you have to do is give it a good click, and as you can see, microphone's working, all the bars are going up, it is recognizing my voice, and super simple plug and play mic. All you have to do in the settings. Alright, let's get into the audio test. We're going to test the audio on 3 different mics: the Blue Snowball ICE, a headset mic, and this Fifine mic. Currently, we're recording on the Fifine K052 microphone at approximately 50% gain, and I'm sitting about 1.5 foot and a half from the mic. It's a cardioid mic with many unique features, like the gain knob, hello, a mute button, hello. Really cool. And yeah, that's about it for the features. Now I'm going to hand it over to Chinook, and he's going to read lines from the infamous book To Kill a Mockingbird.
When he was nearly 13, my brother Jem got his arm badly broken at the elbow. When it healed, and Jem's fears of never being able to play football were assuaged, he was seldom self-conscious about his injury.
Alright, now we're recording on the Fifine K052 with the same constraints. However, now we're recording on the Fifine with EQ software. If you don't already know, EQ software changes the bass and sound quality of the mic. Now Chinook will read the same lines from To Kill a Mockingbird.
When he was nearly 13, my brother Jem got his arm badly broken at the elbow. When it healed, and Jem's fears of never being able to play football again were assuaged, he was seldom self-conscious about his injury.
Now we're recording on the Blue Snowball ICE without EQ at default settings and about the same distance of 1.5 feet. Chinook will now read the same lines from To Kill a Mockingbird to give you guys a good reference.
When he was nearly 13, my brother Jem got his arm badly broken at the elbow. When it healed, and Jem's fears of never being able to play football were assuaged, he was seldom self-conscious about his injury.
Now we're recording on the Blue Snowball ICE with EQ at default settings and about 1.5 feet distance from the mic. Chinook will now read the same lines from To Kill a Mockingbird.
When he was nearly 13, my brother Jem got his arm badly broken at the elbow. When it healed, and Jem's fears of never being able to play football were assuaged, He was seldom self-conscious about his injury.
Now we are recording on the Corsair HS60 Headset mic without EQ. I will now read the same lines as before. When he was nearly 13, my brother Jem got his arm badly broken at the elbow. When it healed, and Jem's fears of never being able to play football were assuaged, he was seldom self-conscious about his injury. Now we are recording on the Corsair HS60 Headset mic with EQ. I will now read the same lines as before. When he was nearly 13, my brother Jem got his arm badly broken at the elbow. When it healed, and Jem's fears of never being able to play football were assuaged, he was seldom self-conscious about his injury.
Alright, now we're recording on the K052 mic without any EQ, and it's set at about 50% gain on the gain knob. And we're gonna give you guys a quick keyboard test, and you guys can see how it sounds with in-game audio. And this is a perfect test if you're gonna be streaming or if you just want to see how much background audio the mic picks up. So here's a quick test. Exaggerated test, by the way. Alright, that's about a good 15 seconds of clicks. And now we're going to finish off this round and get into how the mic sounds with EQ. Alright, now we're on the K052 microphone with EQ, and we're going to see if the EQ dampens the noise of the keyboard clicks. So here we go, I'm going to give it about a good 15 seconds of exaggerated keyboard clicks.
10 seconds left. 5 seconds to insertion.
Alright, and by the way, if you're still interested, we are set at the same 50% gain on the mic, and we are using EQ, which will flash up on the screen right now. Alright, now that you guys have heard what all three mics sound like, let's get into our opinion on the K052 microphone that you are currently listening to without any EQ at around 40% gain, which we found to have the best sound quality.
Right off the bat, we recommend using the Fifine Mic for plug-and-play users. With our research and experiments with the mics, we found that the Blue Snowball sounded the best with the Fifine closely behind. The headset mic without EQ sounded staticky and tinny. However, the EQ headset audio came out to be considerably crispy, but it isn't comparable to the USB mics.
From a budget streamer standpoint, the Fifine wins in overall convenience with the on-the-fly mute button, hello, and the gain knob, hello, and the overall flexibility. If you look at this thing, it can move any which direction, no problem, and it's also a cardioid polar pattern as well as a Blue Snowball, so it can pick up only audio from the front. So when I talk from the front of the mic and then move it to the back, my voice should be a little bit quieter. That is also great for keyboard clicks and muting those. So the Blue Snowball doesn't have any of these cool extra features. You're going to have to buy a boom arm, a pop filter, and then I'll set you back about $30. So at the end of the day, it really just isn't worth it.
You know, it comes down to what you're using the mic for. If you want the highest sound quality, the Snowball is just for you. Priced around $50 and up to $100 depending on availability due to COVID.
On the other hand, the Fifine is a perfect plug-and-play mic. The Fifine is one of the best bang for your buck USB mics, and it's around $30 after shipping on Amazon.
If you're interested in any of these products used in the video, the links will be down in the description.
Thank you for watching, and let us know in the comments your thoughts and any questions you guys have, and we'll make sure to respond, and we'll see you in the next one.
Stay safe.